Okay, hate these. Got to figure out a way to figure this out. I use a compadre. I hunt in all metal. So this is what I came up with. When you bring it higher and it's a good target, it usually just fades out. On something like this, it should break up, but it doesn't. However, if you turn your coil slightly at an angle, raise the coil higher, hear it? Quarter. Nickel. Dime. Small gold. Bigger gold. They all break up a little bit, but the foil at the right angle breaks up a lot. All metal on the compadre. Foil, nickel, quarter, small gold, dime, bigger gold. I hate these things.